Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we got a request from a community member and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, my name is Jen. Hi Jen. And I religiously wait and watch your YouTube channel for new videos. That is so sweet. I love that you help people save money and still provide us with a quality end product." That is exactly what we're here for, Jen. I'm getting married soon and I would love to do my own centerpieces. My fiance and I had our engagement shoot in our photographer's garden and it was beautiful and it inspired me to have it as my wedding theme. I think that is gorgeous. Can you please help me create something for my big day? I would really appreciate it. I've attached a photo because I would like to have alternating centerpieces and save money on flowers. Thank you, sincerely, Jen. Well, Jen, we have definitely got this Birdcage garden centerpiece down just for you. You're not going to believe how easy it is to make. I'm so excited to share it with you. And then at the end, I've attached a video that'll help you create that alternative centerpiece. So you're going to get two in one, but you'll get the link to the other video at the end of this one. I hope that helps you. So without further ado, let's get started with Jen's request of a tall birdcage garden centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to transform this bird cage as well as this candlestick into make it our centerpiece base. Simply going to get some matte white paint, spray paint it. Ta-da! Now it's fit for your wedding or your event. Now, I'm using a hot glue gun just for the sake of time, but if you'd like, by all means, use our E6000 extra industrial strength glue. Be sure to place it centered and let it dry. Now you have options. You can either leave the handle down or you can hot glue it and so that it stands up and adds additional height to your centerpiece. It's really your preference. So depending on the size of the birdcage you use, this one is 13 inches. Well, our cone is actually 12 inches, but because the cage curves, I'm going to go ahead and trim it down about an inch to make sure that it fits when I add the greenery and the flowers. So this is where most people make their mistakes. The key to the birdcage centerpiece is that you're going to dress your cone completely before you actually glue it into the birdcage. So first we're going to add this ivy greenery, and remember, don't worry about the supplies. All of the links to all of the supplies that we use for this project are right down below in the description, right below this video. So it's all there for you, easy peasy. So we're going to completely cover the styrofoam cone with our green ivy first using floral pins. Now you can use the floral pins at their normal length or you can use wire cutters to cut them down. If you're using wire cutters, be sure to put on your safety glasses. So next we're going to go ahead and separate the stems of these hydrangeas. So I'm only using like 2 to 3 actual hydrangea heads because I can get so many pieces out of one hydrangea head. It's very difficult to get a full hydrangea head to fit inside of the cage without it looking crowded. And that's the key to the bird cage centerpiece, is that you don't want it to look like the flowers are being crushed. So you want to make sure that you can place them in the cone flush, and that when you place them inside the cage, it is not, you have air and space between the flowers and the cage. So After you're added the flowers, go ahead and place it inside of the cage just to make sure you're happy with the placement of the flowers as well as the look of it. Once you're satisfied with the placement of your flowers on your cone, now you're ready to actually glue it to the bottom of your birdcage. So with that, make sure you're happy with it. Add a little hot glue to the bottom. Well, not a little, kind of a lot, because you want to make sure it stays sturdy and in place for when you add the additional ivy stems as well as the flowers through the birdcage itself. So add your hot glue, place it in the cage, give it at least 30 minutes to set up, and then you're ready to move on to the next step. Well, Jen, what do you think? So gorgeous and so simple. Not only that, very economic. I'm so excited about how this turned out. It is absolutely gorgeous. I can just see it at your wedding. And guess what? Even with these, you could use these like at your altar and then just have them move to your reception. So they have two uses, two purposes. I love it. I love it. Well, Jen, I hope that we met your vision. I am so appreciative that you have allowed us to be a part of your special day. And I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, go ahead and like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. And if you want a special notification from us, just click on that little notification button and you'll get a special little message from MissPlanIt the moment our videos are posted. Also, you can send us a comment or ask us a question. We love hearing from you. Your words of encouragement mean more than we could ever say. You can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram. And don't forget to sign up for your Ebates rebate account. It's free, guys, Free. If you haven't checked it out, please check it out now. I use it myself. It's very simple. You sign up for the account. Once you get your account, you go online and shop through your Ebates account. And for all your qualified purchases, you get cash back. Cash. Not a little bit of cash. Nice little chunk of change. So don't forget to check out the Ebates link that is in our description right below this video. In addition to that, we have our digital store up and running, and I'm so excited about how many of you have told us that our products are helping you. That's exactly why we created it. And we made it digital so you can have instant access and you don't have to worry about shipping and handling. It's all right there. All you have to do, purchase, download, get started. We have some wonderful options for you right now. Our DIY bride wedding planner, it takes you step by step from how to find your dress, to how to budget, to your honeymoon, to everything. Everything you can think of is in this planner. I made it just how I would have wanted it for myself when I got married. In addition, you have the Maid of Honor planner for those of you who have found yourself the wonderful job of being a maid of honor and have no clue what to do. You don't worry, because we have everything at your fingertips. Finally, we have another planner, and it's our DIY project planner, and that's just for those of you who are planning a project for a birthday or a quinceañera or an anniversary party or your pastor's appreciation. It just takes you step by step how to budget and plan for that project. We also have our dollar deals, and right now in our dollar deal is our template for our paper rose flower, and just excited about it, just so excited. And we're working on more products. We're listening to you, those of you who are sending us comments and sending us requests for more ways to plan different events and parties for your memories and your family. So just want to thank you, those of you who have already taken part and purchased our products. We just so appreciate it. This has been an awesome session with you guys. I love hanging out with you. It's like my favorite thing to do. And I hope that you enjoyed this time as much as I did. We know you have so many options. Don't forget, all the links to the supplies as well as the project costs are in the description right below this video. Click on that upside down triangle and all of the information is there at your fingertips. You will also find links to our website, MissPlanIt.com. We can't put everything on our weekly YouTube tutorials. So we have our website, it has our blog posts, it has, oh my gosh, so much information that we can't put into our weekly YouTube tutorials. So check it out, MissPlanIt.com. In addition, you will find the links to Ebates, you will find the link to our project request, and you will find the link to our digital store. Everything is right there for you. So guys, thank you for hanging out. I so appreciate you taking this time to spend with us. We know you have so many options. So until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.